Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Pineapple, and today we are playing another Roblox vid. So today we're playing Mocap Dancing. This is one of my favorite games in Roblox. So I will show you how it all works and everything. So it'll be fun. Points for fun. So, and in the description below, I will put out my website that I will be link in the description below. So, yes. And let's see, what are they all dancing here? I think I have that dance. So, a line is where everyone does the same dance and they're all synced. So, I'm all synced. Here, I'll let you listen to the music. Hey guys, we are back, but we are going to leave that line because like, it's boring. I'm confused of why everyone's like miniing everyone. Hold on, I'm gonna ask. So guys, this game is like who just dance. How do you mini? Tell me that. I want to know how you mini. I really do. How you mini? How do you mini? So this is where you can battle, like dance battle. So here, I'll show you all of the dance moves I have, and that's a lot. Oh, what? say. Okay, so this one's my favorite, warming up. It's so fun. I want to like make a line with it, but here, let's see if I can do it. Join my line, please. See, it's like, that's what I do like every day. It's so fun to do. It's so fun to just wave your arms around. I like going black and white with my glow sticks. Join me, please. Okay, guys, this is going to be the end of this video, and I hope you guys will subscribe to this channel, leave a comment down below, and do all of that stuff. So, friend me. So, guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys will check out the channel and subscribe. See you guys next time, and the website will be in the description below. Bye, guys.